So what are we doing today? What's going on over here? What are they building?
No, I asked the first thing.
They're building something with a picnic bench.
You can just play ball still if you want. I just wanted to get you on here for a minute. Hey, look who's here. Woohoo! He's ready to throw it to you. Here, Matt. Thanks, Unc.
Wow! That was
Nice pose. Saved by the tree.
Bullets are missing.
Little video update shot. Just take it.
So there's still two.
Here, we'll put that on tape. Yeah, just take it.
Okay. And the bar and then. Okay. Whatever.
So you can trade them out? Is that the deal?
Yeah, it's got 3 spots.
Right.
And so you can trade them out.
Okay. We'll
Wow.
do it.
What do you think of that, Josh? Is that pretty sweet?
You were right.
You were right. And we didn't believe you. Sorry.
Excuse me, Gary.
You're fine. Check out the telescope.
Yeah, I knew.
You want to see if your folks want to get back on? I can log back in if they do.
Well, do you want to wait until it's
Well, it's just up
pretty
to
much
them.
finished? I don't know that they're going to
Yeah, but they got to see this. This is kind of priceless here.
And we need it, and I want to pick.
How long would it be before you were back on?
I can have it on in the next minute or so. I just got to swap batteries. What do you think of it so far, Josh?
I don't want a tire soon.
You do or don't?
I don't.
You know what? You can have it. You can trade them out. You know how the tire one works? You can set it up there. Go for another slide.
What do you want? Come on.
It's got a stage now.
1, 3, 1, 2, slide.
Where's the
Not a lot of
picnic
head plants
table?
there, is there?
Where's the picnic table?
There's not a lot of head plants.
You'll be fine.
Josh, where's the picnic table?
What?
Picnic table.
Oh, there's still dirt under there.
Yeah, I know.
Okay.
Picnic table. Yes.
Hey. No, it's not looking good. Here's taking some video.
Tell them we'll post the YouTube video. They can see that.
I'll email you a photo if you. Yep, it's all done.
You want to go show us the rest of it? Show us all of it?
That's it.
Why don't you come show us the telescope and then you can show us the swings.
Oh yeah, I was doing it.
We'll put the video up on YouTube here for you. Climb the wall, buddy. Let's see. Go up that wall. I bet you can do it.
I don't know why it's not coming back on.
It's because I got to restart the computer. It hibernated. If somebody wants to restart the computer, we can get it back up in a minute. See if it'll broadcast now. If not, restart it.
I've been posting some pictures on Facebook.
Okay, show me that telescope, buddy. Can you see me?
Yeah.
I see you. All right. And you got a captain's wheel
I figured that was where
for your ship.
I figured that's where it's going to go. That's neat.
Nice. Does it spin?
I just have to turn it into.
All right. Let's head down the slides, and you can go show me the swings. Go for it.
Uncle Gary's a little big for it, huh?
Ooh, very 3D.
You got a tire swing out of the deal too. That wasn't part of the original. Yeah. We walked out and we're like, well, we didn't plan on a tire swing. And we're like, well, keep it. Well, okay. So.
Push off the ground with your feet.
Somebody better push that kid.
Oh, right, I'll push the kid. Okay, push my kid. He's attempting to swing now. Okay, hold your feet up.
He's got the leg
There you
motion
go.
in the air, right?
I'm gonna have to raise that up a notch.
It's pretty cool.
Yep, we'll have to raise it up.
Alright.
Pump your legs like you were.
Yeah, we'll call when we're on the road. It's gonna
Okay, how about the
We
tire?
have to serve in second service, so we won't even be out of church until. Yeah.
Somebody can you climb in, or do you need
Go
help?
underneath it, Josh, and come
It'll
up
be-
from the inside.
Um,
Ooh, that's a good idea.
if we leave, because we'll be in Everett at that point. We'll probably try to grab some lunch somewhere before we actually head out.
Hey,
So.
there he is.
This way it won't tip.
So it'll probably be dinner time at least by the time we're there. So, okay. Oh, that sounds great.
Good job.
Okay.
Hold on to the
Cool,
chains.
thanks. All right, love you too.
He wasn't up yet.
Okay, do what you were doing again.
We'll lower that down a little bit. Remember, put your feet on the other
Put your
side.
feet over here.
There you go.
You got a good grip? Whee!
So this doesn't spin, and that's okay.
That is okay.
Yeah.
Actually, all you have to do is put them together and then
Yeah,
Yeah.
but we're good.
yeah, no, we don't need it to spin. It's just
Yeah, that'll be terrified of it.
well, and like as it gets older.
Right. You want to show us the next one?
Can you get out?
Oh yeah.
Oh, good plan, Aunt Joyce.
This Josh.
Josh.
The swinging bar. Okay, now back up. Hang on to the bar and back up. Now swing.
Let's go.
Let,
Pick up your feet.